Hello everyone, it's the Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the video.
Gotta get more followers.
Guys, a quick video, this one, believe it or not, in between making videos about deals, my website, coupon codes, promos, trade copiers, I also managed to find time to trade. Several of you asked me, CFT, how is your Apex Trader funding second account going? I admit I've done a horrible job with keeping people up to date. I've done a horrible job at actually actively trading this every single day. But today, after making 20 million videos, and even though you're seeing another one now, I finally was able to grab a nice big trade in Apex Trader funding. It is a quick one. It is only a minute, so I figured I would walk you through it. As usual, I'm trading my favorite, the Ultra Bond, here on the right. You can see it's my Apex account. And hey, you know me, I like to go big. I'm short 35 contracts at the price of 02. To give this a little bit of context, the magic word bonds had been moving around all day, been on a bit of a rally, been pushing down, watching the activity. This is the 10-year. I've kind of rearranged my desktop. I'm sure you all were keen and noticed it, but instead of watching the 30-year right next to it, I'm watching the 10 years right next to it. I have the 30 years over to the left off the screen here. Flurry of activity pushing down. I have the video paused, obviously, and fully expected this to go on a bit of a run down. Let's look at what we did. I jumped right in with 35. Every tick, a mere $1,093.75. Let's just call it $1,100 to be precise. And you see the activity. Those of you who comment, CFT, why do you trade the bonds? They're so boring. Case in point, nothing more needs to be said. At this point, I have no take profit, I have no stop loss. Here I am putting in a stop loss, which would be profitable for at least one tick. I only have 10 lots on now. I'm trying to decide how I want to manage this trade at this point. Things are moving pretty quick. I'm watching the 10 years push down, kind of halts right here a little bit. That's where I'm starting to get suspicious. Is the little push down done? Every tick matters when it comes to trading 35 lots. You will quickly learn. So at this point, what you're going to see me do is somewhere in there, I put on the stop for a 2-tick winner of 35 contracts, obviously, be about 2,200. But obviously, want to get every ounce out of this that I can. Wish I'd gotten a little bit more. What you're going to see happen here is I was getting greedy, waiting for this to push down further. Now I have my stop at a 3-tick winner, so worst comes to worst, guys. Don't feel too bad for me. We're getting a $3,300 winner. But at this point, I decide, you know what, I think they're done pushing this down, at least for the time being. So I set a take profit. I'm going to pause it real quick right here at the price below. So we're either getting filled for a 3-tick winner or a 5-tick winner. It's going one way or the other. And I will say we do get a little bit fortunate with this one, because just looking at where I have this paused, you have 142 buyers here. They're piling on. You have only 16 sellers at this price. The sellers are pulling away. The sellers are pulling away. Every indication this is going back up. Fully think, although this was moving pretty quickly, but in retrospect, I would not have been surprised if this ticked up and took me out at 3-tick winner. Gonna let it play though, guys. You're gonna see it. It's kind of hard to tell because it's not like a firework goes off or anything, but you'll see the contracts trade right here, and I get taken out at this price. So a nice 5-tick winner, about $5,500. So it ticks there, but no contracts trade up here, and you're going to see this tick down here in a second. There you go, boom, and boom. So got a nice 5-tick winner there on that trade. Again, this is my evaluation account. I know I did but 2 hours ago a video about trade copiers and my earn to trade accounts. Anyways, I did not have this linked to my other Apex account or anything like that. I was honestly just trying to grab a trade to keep this account going and working on it. And lo and behold, a nice surprise, a lot of activity in the treasuries today. And we were able to capitalize on that. So there you go, guys. Little 35 contract action, 20K goal. We are getting there. I am looking forward to, it should be this week, we pass our second 300K evaluation. We get that account funded. Then we get to have some real fun, guys, with 2 300K accounts. Honestly, guys, I'm going to be looking to do a little bit more spreads between the treasuries with that many contracts, but for now the goal is to get past, and hey, that's $5,000 progress towards the goal. Looking to finish it up this Friday. Gotta love Apex Trader Funding. 300K account, 35 contracts, no scaling plan, right up my alley. Guys, as well, you can visit my website. I have a review of Apex Trader Funding. I also have a discount. It's 50% off all evaluations until November 15th. You have 2 more weeks to take advantage of this, and I do know that this promo will end on November 15th. Guys, the promo also applies to all future months, so you sign up using the code. The discount will apply to future months, so not a bad idea to jump in before that deadline. You can have multiple accounts under one login. Both funded and evaluation accounts will show up, so hey, we can put some trade copier action into effect as well. I did not today, was just looking to get one nice trade off, and that's exactly what I did. Fortunate timing to jump in. You can read all about Apex here, the different account sizes. Of course, you can go to their website as well. Link to Apex Trader Funding down below. You can check out all the account sizes yourself, see what you might be interested in, like the 300K, just saying. Get it for 50% off. Or if you're not quite as rowdy as me, they have plenty of other options for you guys. I will leave you with that. Plenty of reasons to go with Apex. I'm having a blast. I'm going to leave you with that. Fully expecting to pass this week. I will try to record more trades, but I've made that promise before and broken it. So I'm going to say I might record more trades. No promises, but I will do my best. And what I will try to do is when I'm actually completing it, kind of the final trades, I like to do that. Show the balance, and we'll get ourselves that second account. Guys, that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.